On April 6th, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services finalized the 2027 Medicare Advantage and Part D payment policy. To find out more about this, I'm joined by Mike Hitcho, the CEO of Hitcho Insurance Agency. Mike, always good to have you on Community Connection.
Thank you, Liz. Good to be here.
So tell us about this new policy.
Yeah, so basically what was projected for next year, the amount of money that the government is going to give to the insurance carriers for Part D plans, Medicare Advantage Part C, was projected at only 0.09% rate increase, so not even 1%. Meanwhile, you know, inflation's really high, often 5, 10+%. So the final rate came out 2.48%, so almost 2.5%. Now, based over the last 20 years, I looked at all the figures. This comes in at number 5th on the lower end scale. So other years it's been a lot higher, but this is what the government's given the insurance carriers, and they were thinking between 2 to 3%.
Okay, so if it is lower than years past, how do you see moving forward in the industry?
Yeah, that's a really good question. You know, how are insurance carriers going to deal with all of this? The government, CMS, is basically saying, look, you and the providers, the hospitals and doctors, have to get the inflation under the control. This is what we're going to provide to you. Some other key metrics are right now, the insurance carriers get more funding for people who are basically not as healthy. So if you're ill, if you're sick, you have diabetes, heart condition, and COPD, the insurance carrier is getting more. So they're calling that coding for risk assessment. So the government wants to give out of focusing on that as how insurance carriers make money and move it to a values-based plan for keeping people healthy. So, I mean, that makes sense,
yeah.
You know, and a big outcome is going to be people potentially living longer, taxpayers paying less money into the system, or the system itself just extending and lasting longer. So ultimately, this could be a really good thing if they get that new structure and look for the values-based plan.
It's a lot of information. Yeah. What should our viewers who are turning 65 or need Medicare do? Yeah,
a great point. I mean, take a look at us online. Go to Google, put in Hitcho Insurance. We've got over 460 star reviews, 5 stars are average. Go to our website, hitchoins.com. Give us a phone call. We could make this process a lot more simplistic for you.
A lot of things to go through. You guys are the experts. You are there to explain everything, so no one has to get frustrated or upset, because again, there's a lot of information to take in. Yeah. And we always appreciate you being here and explaining it on Community Connection.
Thank you, Liz. I appreciate that.